Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a generator in Project Zomboid. First, find and place the generator outside near the building you want to power. Never place it indoors because exhaust can harm your character. Before you can connect it, your character must either choose the electrician occupation at character creation, or read the How to Use Generators magazine. Without one of these, you won't see the connect option. Once you meet the requirement and the generator is on the ground, right-click the generator. In the context menu, you'll see Connect Generator. Click that to attach the generator to your base's electrical system. There's no visible wiring, but the game now recognizes the connection. Next, make sure the generator has fuel. Right-click it again and choose Add Fuel. Then select a gas can from your inventory to fill it up. A fuel generator is essential before it can power anything. Finally, right-click and select Turn On. The generator will start running and supply power to devices within about a 20-tile radius. Keep in mind that generators consume fuel and wear down over time. Check its info and repair it with electronic scrap when needed to avoid failures. And that's how you connect and power a generator in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.